intimidad.
Welcome back, everyone. Are you ready to learn? Let's learn together. Today, let's delve into South Korea and the Philippines. South Korea is a dynamic country in East Asia known for its impressive technological progress, vibrant K-pop culture, and delectable cuisine. South Korea is situated in East Asia, bordering North Korea to the north and divided from Japan to the east by the Korea Strait. The southern and western boundaries of the nation are enveloped by the Yellow Sea and the Korea Strait. The Philippines is an archipelago in Southeast Asia known for its beautiful beaches, rich biodiversity, and vibrant festivals. The Philippines is a beautiful archipelago with over 7,000 islands in Southeast Asia. It's located in the western Pacific Ocean, north of Indonesia, and shares maritime borders with Taiwan, Vietnam, Palau, Malaysia, and Indonesia. The country's diverse geography and rich cultural heritage make it a fascinating place to explore. South Korea has a unique age reckoning system where everyone is considered to be 1 year old at birth and everyone's age increases by 1 year on New Year's Day.
better do this right. You better. We only got tonight.
By the way, we've just launched our online merch store. I'll include the link in the description below and at the end of this video. Please take a look. Thank you for your support.
You're gonna stare forever. You're gonna stare forever. Do you wanna get to know me? Get your confidence up.
South Korea has a strong emphasis on Confucian values and traditions, while the Philippines has been influenced by centuries of Spanish and American colonization, resulting in a unique blend of Eastern and Western cultures. And there you have it. Interesting comparison of South Korea versus the Philippines. Do not forget to click like and subscribe. Learn something every day. We will see you in the next one. Please check out our merch online shopping stores. Please click the link on the top right of your screen. Thank you for your support.
Now move your body, it's just a beat.